Welcome to WorkWell's marketing department. I'm excited you've joined us as our marketing director. Let me quickly bring you up to speed. WorkWell is the employee wellness platform helping small and mid-sized businesses reduce turnover and improve productivity. We offer mental health support, wellness tracking, and team challenges, all in one HIPAA-compliant package. Now for our business strategy. We're focused on becoming the leading wellness platform for healthcare SMBs while expanding into the high-growth tech sector. Our competitive edge is our HIPAA compliance and proven ROI for reducing turnover. We're targeting HR directors who need both security and measurable results. Your campaign must align with these priorities. Drive immediate leads, but also build our brand recognition across these sectors to support our long-term category leadership goals. Your marketing decisions directly impact our business success in this competitive market. Here's your challenge. You'll lead our next 90-day marketing campaign with a $150,000 budget. You'll build awareness, engage the audience while nurturing leads, and then use marketing channels to convert those leads to deals. You need to hit an ROI of 40%. This is where things get even more interesting. You won't be alone. You'll work with an AI copilot to research and select your target audience, make budget decisions across channels, and even generate compelling ad content. Think carefully about how you prompt the AI. It's an incredibly powerful tool, but the outputs are only as good as the inputs. Remember, you need to tie your marketing actions back to the business objectives our shareholders expect us to hit. The AI copilot can unlock the insights you need, but prompt it thoughtfully. Remember, in B2B marketing, it's not just about selling. It's about understanding complex buyer journeys and making strategic choices. Ready to use AI to make your mark? Let's begin your 90-day campaign.